Hey guys, welcome back to HopeClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to check Klarna spending limit. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to look for your spending limit here inside Klarna, well, there are multiple ways to find this. So what's the first option? So the first option is by visiting your profile. Now you can go and just visit the more or use section at the bottom right of your screen, and you should be able to see your profile. Now in here, you should see the option that says purchasing power or purchase power. Now depending on your account, if you have this activated or not, so in this case, if you click on purchase power, if you have this activated, typically it will also show you the amount that you can actually spend inside Klarna. But in some cases, some may not have activated this and just use Klarna as is. So in this case, how do you look for your purchasing or your limit here? Now typically for Klarna, just to give you some idea, they would actually have what we call a $1,000 limit. Now, to verify that if that's your actual limit, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look into the actual store. So go to the homepage here, just look for any store here, and you want to go ahead and choose the go to the how to pay section. So just do some random shopping here, add something into your cart, and go and click on the proceed with payment or pay with option. Now, once you click on create digital card here, it will allow you to enter a value. Now, go and enter the maximum amount value here. Maybe let's just say $3,000, $2,000, depending on what you want. And typically, once you do surpass the limit, they will give you a warning. So maximum amount is going to be $1,000. And that's your actual maximum balance or the value or spending limit that you can make on your account. Now, typically, once you've done this, you are now well informed about your limit. Just make sure that you are only spending within your means here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.